Jesus Christ.
Yep.
This my shit. Oh, tell her you're not my bitch. This my shit. Oh, tell her get off my dick. Itchy dash, nitro gas. Time is passing, quick. I just want tonight to last. Life go fast, it tick.
That is like the one place that I feel comfortable grabbing the trunk to shut it, because anywhere else and you just get fingerprints on it. Now, one of the coolest but most disappointing parts of every single morning. You would expect it to be like kind of noisy or somewhat exciting, but no, still stock exhaust. Haven't changed it yet. What we got going on today? We are headed to the shop right now to meet Gavin, it's just a 6. If you're not following him, you definitely should. Down here, go check him out. But we are gonna be putting some new tires on payday today, not for the rear because those are brand new, but the fronts need to be replaced. So we're gonna be knocking that out. Also got some wheel spacers we're gonna put on, which is, I know I'm gonna get roasted for using wheel spacers, but I accept the heat. Go ahead. It's probably gonna look good when I'm done. So like, fuck y'all, but we'll see how it turns out. There's gonna be wheels coming for this car eventually. And then after that, we're gonna be racing his GTR. Now, I don't expect the Mustang to keep up at all. I don't expect this car to win, but I have a lot of plans for this car, and I've talked to Gavin about a lot of stuff we want to do to this car, and we're gonna see how it stacks up to the GTR, because the 18s are surprisingly quick. GTR is probably still gonna win, but we're gonna run them and just see what happens. Who knows? The Mustang could keep up. It might be entertaining. So anyways, let's get going. Always got the darkest fucking tint.
Hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
Are you using a new camera today?
I am using a new camera, bro.
Is this the first video with the new camera?
Second video with it, sorry.
Tragic. People are gonna think that we only work on S550s.
Well, I mean, it'll be the specialty.
S550. S550. I mean, an S550 in the office.
You gotta specialize in something.
There's an S550 right there in the parking lot. There's an S550.
So before we get started, let me go ahead and show you these tires. So going on the front of the car today, let's see if do we still got the stickers? Ooh, there we go. Federals, the cheapest tire known to mankind, basically. Not literally, but these are 255 40 19s, I think, something like that. But yeah, they're a pretty friendly street tire. They're one of the newer tires that Federal has come out with, and they're surprisingly sticky for being 300 tread wear. So I'm really excited to see how they handle.
So our new license plate covers are live on the site right now.
You know how?
This is the first time that I've gotten to mention this, and I keep forgetting. And now I finally saw this one.
You know how hard it was for me to get one of those from Rob? Yeah. Like, he did not want to give them up. I was like, dude, I promise it'll be for promotional purposes. I'm not just asking for one. Yeah, so you like, it's not showing wire, but it was starting. No, but it's...
Wake up.
Usually I'm not awake by this point. They're just getting to the point of actually like tearing themselves apart because I got through all the tread. So after this, I really just should probably go get an alignment too. Ooh, I know it's gonna be so satisfying whenever you get some brand new wheels and tires to mount. Oh, we gotta turn the air on.
I got you, bro. Right in here. You open up this thing, and I got this thing.
Gotcha.
Oh, Doug probably's got the
breaker off out here. It might be full of air. This might have to be turned on, I guess, to run air to the rest of the shop. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, these tires are soft. This is not going as I planned. Yeah, this is. Yeah, it's been a while, but they don't usually just collapse like that. Good God, Jesus Christ. This fucking blows.
What's your next plan back here?
I got this, yo.
Oh, don't put it on the inside.
Why not?
You can, but be aware that these are...
I'm aware.
You just said stock wheels.
Yeah. This is ass. I've never had a stock tire be this hard to change. See, like, oh, okay, we might have it now. Wow, it's really just gonna be like that. That was ass.
How'd that go?
Awful. I'm gonna have to take this tire from behind you.
Oh, no.
I know, I'm sorry, bro. There you go. And we gonna lube her up. All right, now I could probably use your help. Gotta hold down the edge. God, I forgot about that thing. It'll be this. Need that thing. Put that right there. Yep.
There you go.
You can pick up on that now. Pop.
You there? Ain't that some shit?
Oh yeah, technology. Yeah, boy. Let me spin that thing around to you.
Hit that.
Pop. I'm gonna get away before that splats in my face. 3, 2, 1.
Ah, bro, you got it wrong. It's 3, 2. Holy shit.
Yeah. Hey, 29 PSI.
No,
It's gonna
32.
32?
Yeah, bro.
That'd be pretty cool.
It's getting it set up for 32.
There you go. Let's see what it's at. Bam. It's like 31. Give it a little bump. 29.
One new tire. Damn, those look pretty spicy, these shoes.
Yeah. I'm curious to see how they handle those. That shit had no sidewall. I was thoroughly upset with that being a Michelin Pilot Sport, but I know it's not their most aggressive one too. And Federal's got these nice ass stickers that just come off in one try too. Ooh. Now we gotta balance these hoes. We get to put a wheel spacer on. These little bad boys back here. I tell you what.
Spacers next.
Yeah. I gotta open these. Fuck, I don't have a knife. I got a keto. Check out that bad puppy right there. Oh, wow. That's a satisfying fit. Jesus.
It's like they made the spacers to fit a socket in there.
I know. You're right. How do you think it's gonna be?
I think it's gonna look really fucking good, I'm gonna be honest.
Meaty so far?
It's looking like some good fit, man, I'm not gonna lie.
Let's see. God, this thing's so tall.
A good standard deviation better.
Yes, it is. Now the backs will be a lot quicker. We can just take these off and slap them on real quick. Ooh. Go ahead and start it, cuh.
I need a key.
Yeah. Roll that thing forward and back.
Wow, it's so loud.
I know.
It's like having coffee.
What's the coffee cup? That fitment's looking pretty good. Next is
And an exhaust.
actually
And a diffuser. And a front lid.
I don't have
Lowering spring.
I don't. Yeah, all that. All the above.
Oh look, the sun's back.
Twin turbo kit.
Then a twin turbo kit.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh yeah, that's how we know it's a 2018, baby. Listen,
What am I listening for?
you get the little, only 2018s and up.
I've noticed. Yeah, it sounds like it has a knock, but it's
Yeah.
not a knock.
I wonder what that is.
No, no, it hadn't gotten louder since I got it, and I've been driving it pretty hard, so.
Literally nobody can figure it out. It's just called the Coyote, the 3rd gen Coyote Tick.
Oh, it's sunny outside.
But it's so wet.
Look at that, boy.
What are you trying to do?
I guess let's go race. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we'll go to Mexico. Let's get some music going in this thing. What's good, Young Gravy? Where you at, boy? Bag of chips. Let's see, where's Oops? Yeah, we going to Mexico. If you don't know what's done to the GTR already, it is basically just full bolt-on and tune on 93. So he'll be having it turned down to about 7 PSI to start with. We're gonna see if the Mustang can even keep up at all, be it bone stock, which if it does, that'd be really impressive because GTRs are pretty quick. And then after that, we're just gonna turn the GTR up and see what it does anyways. The roads are a little bit wet, so we're gonna have to be careful. But should be good if we keep traction control on and do it from a roll. I don't think there will be any issues. So we'll see you guys whenever we get in Mexico. Well, here we go. Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Wow, all right, I missed 3rd.
You were pulling away.
No, it's gonna be close. All right.
Whenever we first took off, I was starting to pass you, and so I let off, and then took off, and then let off.
I missed 3rd,
That
so
makes sense.
yeah, but after that, that's why I said it's gonna be close. I f***ed up. So
You started pulling hard. I literally could not catch you on top end.
I know, this one, now, like, that I'm used to it, that one just, I f***ed up, I'll be honest. So, like, from here, they should be good. It was closer than I expected.
Damn, missed the 3rd and S550, huh?
My bad, sorry.
Damn, I've heard a lot of shit.
Hey, it happens.
All right, what you want next?
We can do a dig if you want. Ready? Times in a row. I need to get an aftermarket shifter in here. I'm not gonna make excuses, but that is something I do plan on doing in the future. That was a clean run.
That was.
Yeah, that was a clean one.
You didn't miss it?
No, I didn't miss it that time. You wanna do another 20? I mean, I see how this is gonna go unless you just wanna go and turn the boost up.
Try like a 60 roll.
60 or a 40?
Either.
Well, then I guess let's do a 40. So that way I'm at least in second. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it was close. You gonna turn it up? Yeah. You gonna let me get a big hit this time?
Yeah, I'm just curious.
You wanna do another 40?
Sure. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That's just not even comparable. Oh, that's about God. All right, that's not even a race. That's just him playing with me at that point. You passed me and I just stopped. That's not even a race.
Let's try one more dig, and that's the last run. I want to see what this car can really do.
All right, Gavin wants to do a dig and just see how bad it is. So this should be entertaining.
All right, you ready?
I know that's his first time using launch control though. I'm curious to hear how that went. He didn't want to use it in the past because he's like, it tears up the clutches. He's probably just like, F it now. I want to feel that later.
That's crazy. That's turned up all the way.
Really?
This goes.
Damn. GTRs are nothing but cheat codes. Nissan, good job with those cars, even though they're not really much. I don't think they have much of a JDM appeal. It's really marketed more towards Americans, but realistically, I used to hate GTRs, especially R35s, because of the all-wheel drive. It's like, wow, every single one you see that makes over 1,000 horsepower, like, no surprise, it's what they're known for. But after riding in it, driving in it, feeling it, it's not the best handling car. Like, the chassis is a little bit loose, but it's also got 100,000 miles. But overall, like, they really are just cool cars. GTRs are pretty sick. I guess now we'll head back to the shop and I'll catch up with you guys and catch up with Gavin once we get back there. So I'll see you then.
It's not dirty.
Huh?
These cars got dirty.
Yeah, but that's what they're for, they're cars.
That's so sad.
It is what it is.
What do you think? That was pretty close.
I think that the more I drive this car, the more I appreciate the 18s, because the traction control is pretty awesome in it. The launch control is pretty awesome, like especially for a stick car.
Damn, I couldn't tell. You were real far back there.
Yeah,
we were
I know.
trying to look and see how well it was going for you, but we just couldn't see.
Yeah, but I mean, your car's just faster. It is what it is. I'll catch up eventually. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. The race was a lot of fun. That GTR is pretty quick, but eventually I'm gonna try and keep up with it. Ooh, also, I haven't mentioned this yet on the channel. Recently, I became a Dr Squatch ambassador. Dr Squatch is pretty much just a great brand of soap. But the reason I bring it up is because you can actually get 20% off by using the code Zorbii20 at checkout. It's pretty awesome. I use their soap every single day. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Go try the soap, use the discount, and I'll see you guys next time.